What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to The Average Garage. As you can see behind me, the Falcon is now on the ground and it's looking pretty. So we're going to take you along on how we got this down off the hoist. So the big problem was the chain dropped off, which is what links each post of the hoist together. And you can't put the chain back on without moving the posts. And I couldn't move the posts because the car was in the air. However, that's old news because in new news, well, I'm stoked to say Tough Lift have come on board with the channel. So I'm going to be getting a new Tough Lift hoist. So thank you very much to those guys. I'll put their link in the description as well. But yeah, very shortly we'll be pulling this hoist down. That'll be in probably the next video. This video is going to be a short one. And the video after that will be installing the new hoist. So I can't wait for that. It will take a couple of weeks though, so please bear with me. The videos will be delayed until pretty much everything is sorted and then we can crack straight back into it. So anyways, so we're gonna run you through how we did get it down and then, yeah, go from there pretty much. So we'll show you how we did it and and then you'll see the clip anyways of us dropping the car down. So the team did consist of me and my old man and my girlfriend. The girlfriend was making sure the car came down level and me and the old man were winding each post down. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll get to it. All right, so we climb the super sketchy ladder that is all sorts of broken, and you come up to the top of the hoist here. You can see there's a big nut here. I'm pretty sure it was a 36 mil, and there's the same over on that side. So about here somewhere, top of that post. So pretty much inside each post, don't know if you can see in there, is essentially a big long screw. And what it is, there's a big nylon block that sits down in the bottom. And as that screw turns, it actually lifts the car up. So yeah, it's a pretty simple design for a hoist. And obviously at the bottom of each, what they call the screw, screw type hoist, at the bottom of each screw is a massive sprocket, so all the way down there. And there's a chain that links the two up, and there's guides to keep tension on it, and there's even a dead man switch down there. So yeah, me and the old man were up here winding one each side. I probably could have hit the motor on that side and he could have done this by hand, but slowly. But I didn't want the car to come down jerky in sections. So yeah, anyways, car's looking fresh. It will get full panel and paint, but we'll get to that, later on down the track. So yeah, let's have a look at the wheels and brakes. Okay, so first off, I want to say a massive thank you again to McQueen's for just the quality of work. Absolutely loving it. They did an awesome job. So I have got new wheel nuts coming because these ones are trash. But if we take a look here, they look quite nice. You got zinc plating and the red calipers down there, titanium wheel. The new wheel nuts I've got on order are black, and I think they're a bit shallower than these ones, so they might sit in a little bit more, but they should be nice and sleek looking. Got the brand new RE003s on there. So yeah, couldn't be happier at this stage, and yeah, the car is in one piece again, or mostly one piece. We'll get there. But yeah, so as I was saying, you'll see us drop the hoist and then I'll have another little update.
Two hours later.
All right, guys, so you've just seen us bring the car down. So now, obviously, you've seen the hard work. That was a little bit of a feat, and it was about 34 degrees when we did it, so the shed was pretty stinking hot. But yeah, it's down. I'm happy. Now, I'll run you through a couple of, quick little snippets or montage, as you will, of just some shiny bits. And yeah, I'm super stoked with this build, the way it's going. I can't wait till it's all done, and I can't wait till the panel and paint's done and the engine's in and all that sort of fun stuff. But like I said, the next episode will be us ripping the hoist down because that's another feat in itself. And then the episode after that, or maybe tacked onto that one, will be the new hoist. So yeah, again, the videos will be delayed, so please bear with me. I'm trying to find some other stuff to do in the meantime. But as far as this stuff, it is just a waiting game, really. So yeah, there's not much I can do about it. I do want to show you guys a little trick that I learnt though with the rubber on this car, or the rubber door trims and such. So I'll show you that. All right, so if we grab the trusty torch here. So as you can see, these red trims actually look quite good. They're not perfect, but they look quite good. Now, for those who don't know, they did used to look like this, where they're all pink. But hit them with a bit of heat, and look at the difference of that. So a little bit of heat makes the oil come back out to the surface. Now it won't last forever, especially in the sun, but if you do that and then chuck some sealant on it, that'll actually last quite a while. So that's a little trick that I had. So yeah, I found it quite entertaining, to say the least. Now if I do it in the right hand, now that looks 100% compared to that. All right, so there's a little hack for you, just in case you have any sort of car with a rubber stripping on it. So yeah, easy to do, takes 2 seconds. Yeah, and like I said, once it cools down, if you chuck some sealant or even some like a wax on there, it should come up mint. So yeah, I did this side, the shiny side that was already there, I did that probably 2 months ago. And it still looks good, but like I said, it hasn't been in the sun, it's been in the shed. So yeah, anyways, let's get to the montage of some good bits, and then we'll see you all in the next episode. So thank you very much for watching, and enjoy the montage.